Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video on Sam's AWS learning series. Before we jump right onto the topic, I have a couple of things to talk about. I've been getting so many questions and queries over my mail and my Facebook page as well. I do take some time to respond to those, but then again, I try my level best to respond. The major challenge is the number of questions. If you would like to have a session, maybe a Q&A session, let me know. We could figure out something like that. And for the exam preparation series, I get these questions every other day. How many topics are remaining, and what is required to cover this exam, or what is required to face the exam. Is the video series is enough? No, it's not enough. You have to get a hands-on. Do cover the videos. The playlist is covering almost everything, and I will upload a couple of topics more. Read the Amazon documentation, the FAQ sections, and the major topics I have to cover, or I'm gonna upload down the line. They are cloud formation, Lambda, and then white papers to read before the exam, and something like exam tips, what to expect and how to crack the exam. That being said, let's start with our today's topic. We have API Gateway and Workspace. Reference links, they are available in the description below. We suggest you to go through them. Before we talk about Amazon API Gateway, as always, here is a tidbit for you guys. What is an API Gateway? Let me put it in this manner, maybe in simple terms. Say you have a monolithic enterprise application which is kind of huge, and for handling them, maybe ease of handling them, and for various reasons, you might split or divide the application into smaller pieces, smaller functional units or parts that works independently from each other. And a wrapper, we use a wrapper to cover these functional parts, and the wrapper which binds these functional parts and makes them behave as a single monolithic application, that is called as a API Gateway. So the main idea behind API Gateway is to make these functional parts behave as a single application. Not just that, it has various other functionalities as well, but then in simple terms you can understand API Gateway, right? And Amazon API Gateway, it's a fully managed service that makes it easier for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor and secure APIs at any scale. With a few clicks, AWS Management Console, you will be able to create an API that acts as a front door for applications to access data, business logic or functionality from your backend services, such as workloads running on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, code running on AWS Lambda or any web application. API Gateway handles all the tasks involved in accepting the processing up to hundreds of thousands of concurrent API calls, including traffic management, authorization and access control monitoring and API version management. Talking about the price, API Gateway has no minimum fees or startup cost. You pay only for the API calls you receive and the amount of data transferred out. We have API caching facility as well, in which the latency will be very minimal. From the cache, the responses will be identified and responded accordingly. Exam perspective, you just need to know the high level understanding of API Gateway. We won't be doing a practical session. It is just a theory session. These are the benefits of using Amazon API Gateway. It is low cost and efficient performance at any scale. Caching is available. Easily monitor API activity. You could streamline API development. Flexible security controls, run your APIs without servers, create RESTful endpoints for existing services. Moving on, we have AWS WorkSpaces. As I told, you just need to know the basics of WorkSpaces, and it has started appearing in Solution Architect Associate exam. Workspace, it's a fully managed secure desktop as a service DaaS solution which runs on AWS. With Amazon Workspace, you can easily provision virtual cloud-based Microsoft Windows desktop for your user, providing them access to the documents, applications and resources they need anywhere, anytime from any supported device. With just a few clicks in the AWS Management Console, you can deploy high quality cloud desktops for any number of users. With Amazon Workspace, you pay either monthly or hourly just for the Amazon Workspace you launch, which helps you save money when compared to traditional desktop and on-premise VDI solutions. So recently we have worked on AWS workspaces for a client, and their requirement was this. They have a workforce of 60 to 70 resources, and they were looking for a VDI solution. What we have told them is to go with AWS workspaces. They were able to get VDIs in no time. The OS was Windows 7. They found it was very simple, and we were using the company's, the client's corporate directory, Active Directory. We have authenticated the user against that, and they were able to log into the workspace service. They have admin sort of privilege, and they were able to use their own softwares. They were installing a couple of softwares, and they were able to accomplish their work in no time. The benefits: it is simple to use. You can keep your data secure, deploy and manage your own set of applications, choose the hardware, software you need, and just keep them. You don't have to worry about the bloatware and the performance issues. It supports multiple devices. People were logging in from a wide variety of devices, platforms. Google Chromebook is one such example, and you can integrate your corporate directory with it. As always, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Give a thumbs up or like to this video if you like our effort. In case of any questions or queries, do post them here or over my Facebook page. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.